Hello and welcome everyone. So in this particular video, I am going to discuss with you one of the carbon-carbon bond forming reaction that is called a Darson condensation. In this reaction particularly, CC bond is formed. This reaction is based on base catalyzed reaction, that is the important one can say the important species in this reaction is base. That's why this reaction is via carbanion as an intermediate. The statement of this reaction, Darson condensation reaction, is the reaction between alpha haloester with the one can say the carbonyl compound in the presence of a base that gives alpha beta epoxy ester, or simply called as glycosidic ester. So this reaction is the formation of alpha beta epoxy ester is given. Now this is the actual reaction scheme. Here a carbonyl compound is treated with the alpha haloester in the presence of a base that produces alpha beta epoxy ester. This is the reaction scheme. Okay, so what is the mechanism of this reaction? So we can see here this alpha haloester have an acidic proton, particularly the alpha position. So first the base abstract the proton, generate the carbanion. So carbanion is the intermediate which is electron rich and easily attached to the carbonyl compound, that is carbonyl carbon, which act as a electrophile. So in that reaction, so there is a CC bond is developed between alpha carbon of ester with the carbonyl carbon. Intermediate is developed that will undergo the removal of halogen in the last step, which gives alpha beta epoxy ester. So this is one of the best reaction to transform into the epoxide without affecting to the other functionality like ester. Okay, so here there are some examples are given to you. So this is ketone when it is reacted with dihalo alpha dihalo ester in the presence of ethoxide. So that will converts to the mechanism is given to you again. So base is there which abstract the proton and then generate the carbanion. That carbanion is attacked to carbonyl carbon and then it will convert to the alkoxide intermediate, and that O negative charge which reacts to the carbon where halogens are present. So one of the halogen is free or removed, and that will be converts into the alpha beta epoxy ester with the halogen is remain. Now when you hydrolyze that or when you treated this compound with the base, that is OH negative ion, it converts into the product. So up to that, this is simply called as a Darson condensation reaction. Okay. Now in application point of view, the product of Darson condensation, that is alpha beta epoxy ester, when treated with the base, that is hydroxide ion, it reacts with the ester first. It converts to the acid, and removal of carbon dioxide is gives to the aldehyde as a product. So look at this one reaction. Again the mechanism is given to you now, how that previous product is converts to the aldehyde. This is the mechanism of what this reaction. So this is what one of the important reaction based on what carbanion or based on CC bond formation principle. That reaction is called as a Darson condensation. So I hope you get this point and this mechanism, so particularly based on that carbon-carbon bond formation reaction. So thank you for watching.